Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious and healthy crockpot chicken tacos. The best part of this recipe is that it only takes 5 minutes to prep. Then you just throw it in your crockpot to be ready for your meal. All you need is a slow cooker, chicken, salsa, taco seasoning, and an onion. Let's get started. For the seasoning, you can either use a packet if you need to prepare this recipe quickly. Otherwise, we'll make it homemade. For the homemade taco seasoning, you'll want to get a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Try to get organic if possible. 1 tablespoon chili powder. Health tip: make sure to read the bottle and make sure there's no bad ingredients. For example, this one has silicon dioxide, which is toxic to your health. A 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1/2 teaspoon of ground paprika. A 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. And lastly, 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin. And salt and black pepper to taste. Note that some spices might already have salt in them, so you don't need to add as much. Just mix the spices together. Voila! That's one happy seasoning. Now we'll dice 1/2 an onion. First, peel off the top layer of the onion. And chop off the end of the onion. Let's get dicing. First, cut it down the middle. Then put it on its side and start cutting it into small pieces. Make sure you have a well-sharpened knife to cut the onion without crying. It will also cut it faster and more efficiently. Now we're ready for the chicken. Make sure your chicken is antibiotic and hormone-free. The chicken I like to use is from Whole Foods. It also tastes softer and it's organic. Just place them in the bottom of the crock pot or any other slow cooker. And scrape the onions on top. Mix onto the chicken. Now pour on your taco seasoning and add salsa. I like to use Kurt's special recipe salsa because there's no added sugar or bad ingredients. Mix everything together to coat the chicken. Five-minute prep complete. You can cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. I'm gonna cook it on high because I'm gonna eat in a couple of hours. If you're using a crock pot, hit select until you get your desired option. I originally thought it would take 3 hours to cook, but it actually ended up only taking 1. Let's shred it up and place it on some tacos. I'm feeling hungry. They look so tasty. Garnish with fresh cilantro and lime juice. You can also serve on top of rice, especially if you're an Asian like me. Let's see how these tacos turned out. Wow, the chicken's so soft and it actually has a lot of flavor. You can cook healthy and still have good food. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.